So this is one of those fraction strategies I don't know why teachers don't teach way earlier. So what we're going to be doing is adding fractions with different denominators, but we're not doing the least common denominator method. Now there is times when you should use that, but for these ones here, slow way. This is the math hack that I wish I knew in 5th grade. So here we go. Adding fractions, different denominators, crisscross, straight across. So what we're going to do is multiply the diagonals and add, or whatever this operation is right there. And then we're going to multiply the denominators, the bottom numbers, okay? So if you had done least common denominators, you would have ended up with the same answer. So here's the hack. You ready? Crisscross, straight across. Crisscross. That's 21. That's 20. Add them up, you get 41. 5 times 7, multiply the denominators. 5 times 7 is 35. Done. It honestly goes that fast every time. Now, if you had done least common denominators, you would have said to yourself, okay, now I got to find least common denominators, right? So least common multiple between 5 and 7, that's going to be 35. Okay, 5 times what makes 35? 5 times 7. So 3 times 7 is going to be 21. Next up, now we got to do the other one. So now we got 7 times what makes 35? Well, that's times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So remember when we did the crisscross, we already ended up with the 20 and the 21. When we did crisscross, we did 3 times 7, 21, 5 times 4, 20, and added them up. If you did least common denominators, you did the exact same thing, but check it out how much more writing you have to do. I remember being in like elementary school and I had a whole page. It was like 10 questions, but it was the whole page filled with writing. And this way I get the exact same answer in a fraction of the time. So again, it's crisscross, straight across. Go ahead and try that bottom one on your own real quick. Pause the video, then come on back and see if you can nail it on your first try. So here we go. All right, I'll do it here. So we got crisscross. That's a 10. That's a 12. 10 plus 12, 22. There's the crisscross. Now the straight across. 3 times 5, 15. Now, didn't you wish you knew this back in elementary school? If not, you can always show it to your kids and really make them think that you know some really cool math tricks. Now, as far as least common denominator, there is a time for using that. And that's if the one of the denominators is a multiple of another denominator. Okay, so check it out. So we can use this one. We got the 3 over 5. And let's say that this other one is 4 over 20. 30. We'll do 30. There we go. Okay, now in this case here, I wouldn't use crisscross straight across. I would go ahead and do least common denominators because I look here, 5 to 30, oh, well, that's a times 6. So just do that. Just times 6, and that makes that a 30. Times 6, that makes that an 18. Now I just do 18 plus 4, and then over 30. You still got some reducing and stuff like that to do. But so if your denominators don't have any factors in common, crisscross straight across. If you do have one of the denominators as a multiple of another, like 5 and 30, least common denominators is going to be the strategy that I personally would use. So hopefully you like crisscross straight across. Hopefully you find a place to use it. If you like this type of thing, if you like these videos, do me a favor, hit a thumbs up. If you don't like this, make sure and hit the dislike button twice, just to make sure.